Hello, my name is Jeremy Circling. I am a product manager for Denticon, focused on all things revenue cycle management. We're excited to have a great panel here to talk with you about the opportunities that 835 brings for your dental practice and driving efficiencies and automation throughout your insurance journey. As you can see, Denticon is our Planet DDS practice management system. Covers every step of the RCM journey, from patient scheduling all the way through to patient collections. One of the core pillars of that is insurance payment posting and leveraging the 835s to drive that efficiency and that automation. We're going to talk with you about why 835s are critical and imperative for your practice to drive efficiencies. We'll also hear from Kara from DentalXChange on the opportunities and the benefits that DentalXChange has in onboarding and helping you drive adoption within your practice. And then Rod has some real life experience from On-Site Dental, who will walk you through his experience and kind of a case study on the benefits that they've realized at On-Site Dental. So we're going to talk with you about why 835s for dental practices are valuable, the prerequisites for Denticon 835s, 835 reporting and insights, the current landscape and streamlined enrollment that DentalXChange provides, and then a look into how On-Site Dental uses 835s and the next steps. So to start, why are 835s valuable for your dental practice? 835s deliver significant benefits in critical areas: operational efficiency, financial accuracy, cash flow optimization, and data-driven decision-making. In terms of operational efficiencies, 835s streamline your practice workflow, significantly reducing the time and effort required to process insurance payments. Instead of the traditional process of manually entering data from the legacy EOB format, 835s allow for automatic posting of payments, and this automation frees up your staff to focus on patient care and service. A process that takes hours each day can now be completed in minutes, allowing your team to be more productive in other areas. The next benefit is financial accuracy. With 835s, the risk of human error in payment posting is significantly reduced. The digital format ensures payments are applied accurately to the correct patient accounts and procedures. This improved accuracy reduces the administrative burden on your staff. Additionally, 835s provide a detailed breakdown of payments, including specific reason codes for adjustments and denials. This detail is stored as part of the patient's ledger in Denticon through a electronically generated EOB. Having access to this information within Denticon helps your team quickly identify and resolve any discrepancies. The next key benefit is the cash flow optimization. 835s can greatly improve your practice's cash flow. By speeding up the payment posting process, practices will have a more accurate and up-to-date view of the accounts receivables. And the last key benefit is the data-driven decision-making that the 835s bring. One of the most valuable aspects of 835s is the data insights. By leveraging the Denticon 835 reporting tools, you can gain insights into various aspects of your practice's performance. This data empowers you to make more informed decisions about your RCM operations, providing insights that highlight process and training improvement opportunities, such as renegotiating contracts with insurance companies, adjusting fee schedules, insurance verification, and the plan management process. As highlighted, implementing 835s in your dental practice is about leveraging technology to create a more efficient, accurate, and profitable practice. 835s can transform the way you manage your practice finances and ensure long-term success. Next, we'll talk about some of the prerequisites ensuring a successful rollout of 835s. The first and foremost, the ability to submit claims electronically. Denticon provides this capability to batch submit claims electronically, streamlining your claim submission process. Next, fee schedules and insurance plans. It's crucial for practices to have fee schedules and insurance plans accurately set up and maintained in Denticon. This ensures accurate claim submissions and facilitates correct payment posting, significantly reducing claim denials and adjustments. The next is the DXC DentalXChange portal proficiency. Team members should know how to use the DXC portal effectively. This portal is valuable for resolving any posting discrepancies that may arise. And next, the insurance payment posting adjustments. A strong understanding of the payment process and the know-how for managing adjustments ensures accurate reconciliation of payments with the submitted claims. And next and last, the dedication of a reconciliation team. Having a dedicated person or team to reconcile auto-posted payments is critical. This ensures that all payments are correctly applied and any discrepancies are efficiently addressed. By meeting these prerequisites, your practices will be positioned to leverage the full benefits of 835s within Denticon, leading to more efficient claims processing and improved cash flow. We'll next highlight the 835 reporting and insights tools that are available, both through a reconcile report and a denial report. We'll first highlight the reconciliation report. This report is essential for matching insurance payments to the claims that were submitted and quickly allows for quick identification to correct any discrepancies. The information provided in the report allows for the RCM team to efficiently review auto-posted transactions that did not meet the practice's predefined threshold, ensuring accuracy in your patient's ledger. The report also provides insights into transactions that were not auto-posted, helping you quickly identify items requiring manual attention. The report includes a transaction identifier that can be used to search for the 835s in the DentalXChange X Connect web portal. The report is also a valuable tool that helps team members reconcile the 835 payments against the bank deposits, providing a comprehensive picture of the claims submitted against the 835 insurance payments, and third, the bank deposits. These insights will ensure accurate patient ledger records and assist in resolving discrepancies and maintain a clear view of your practice finances. The next report is the 835 denial report. This report provides key insights designed to optimize your insurance payment process and cash flow. The key benefits of this report is the efficiency it provides in denial management. The report provides insight that allows practices to quickly identify and address claim denials and adjustments, leading to reduced accounts receivables and improved cash flow. This report also helps identify opportunities to optimize fee schedules. By analyzing denial and adjustment trends, you can spot opportunities to update insurance plans and fee schedules, preventing future denials and adjustments and ensuring more accurate billing. This report also identifies insights to improve the practice insurance verification and plan management process, enabling you to refine your pre-appointment verification process and also your insurance plan management approach to ensure they have the accurate and most up-to-date plan information. By leveraging these insights, practices can significantly streamline the revenue cycle and minimize claim denials and adjustments. I will now pass the baton to Kara, who will highlight the DentalXChange's view of the current 835 landscape and how DentalXChange is streamlining the 835 enrollment process.
Thanks, Jeremy. As you can see, the current landscape for ERA adoption for dental is vastly different than the ERA adoption on the medical side. According to the most recent CAQH index in 2023, it was 73% on the medical side versus 21% adoption on the dental side. Part of that increasing the adoption rate is to enroll in ERAs. Next slide. Enrollment is part of the ERA registration process. It's the payer's way of registering you to receive electronic remittance advices through your designated clearinghouse. Next slide, please. While DentalXChange has connectivity to over 1,000 payers, not all payers require enrollments for ERAs. Currently, it's a little over 600 payers that actually require the enrollment. The approval process can take up to same day to up to 6 weeks. The goal is to streamline the process. So the sooner you can submit your enrollment applications, the better. Back in the day, payers used to require paper form submissions with a wet signature, sometimes even requiring specific black ink. DentalXChange's goal is to make the enrollment process as frictionless as possible. Some of the ways we are streamlining the process: you have a dedicated Claim Connect portal to provide your enrollments. We provide step-by-step training guides. We can do live training for your staff if needed. All your providers' informations are entered only one time, and they're auto-applied to all ERA enrollment applications. All of the forms and all the applications are managed in one place, and there's easily understandable updates on where the applications are within the process. Next slide. This is just a quick visual of what the enrollment application process looks like within the Claim Connect portal. While enrolling with the payers will never be fun or easy, DentalXChange tries to make the process as simple as it possibly can be. Next up, we've got Rod, who's the VP of IT from Onsite Dental, to discuss his team's experience with the process.
Thanks, Kara. Appreciate it. You guys definitely have come a long way, in about the 5 years that we started with 835 ERAs. Kind of give it a little quick history about Onsite Dental. We partnered with Planet DDS about 9 years ago. We onboarded at the time, about 15 of our locations. Now we're up to about 40, growing strong. Thanks to the partnership of Planet DDS. A lot of efficiencies have come along the way, including, the 835 ERAs. About 5 years ago, our RCM team approached us and said, hey, we're looking for a way to streamline our processing, our claims adjudication process. And an option from Planet DDS with DentalXChange was the 835 ERAs. We were kind of like at the beginning of it. I think we were one of the first or the first group of people to kind of try this stuff. Our luck in our business is we have a small payer list. We only deal with 1 or 2 insurances per our location because we are employer based. So we have the luxury of just having 1 or 2 payers to deal with, not many, right? So the enrollment kind of process, real simple for us, 1 or 2 payers. So that was nice. We were able to onboard our biggest payers, and that drove a great efficiency. And, over the last, 5 years, we've had several iterations of our RCM team, different people coming in, and they've all said, wow, this is great, and because it just saves time, right? If lets the team focus in on I call exceptions, right? Denials, appeals, rather than the mundane everyday tasks of the normal kind of process, right? We're able to save, our RCM team's able to save 1 full-time employee job for not processing the regular claims. They're able to, so that's a savings to the company for us just to process this stuff, right? So some of the things that I advise, people kind of onboarding is to follow the steps from DentalXChange. It's really easy. They got a great team that gives you great guides on how to do this. And once you do it once, you'll never forget it, right? Now, lucky for us, we only have a few pairs to deal with. I'm sure all the people watching this have thousands and thousands of pairs. And I'm sure more and more will be joining on, right? Kara, you guys are gonna try to get more payers doing the 835 ERAs. So just follow the process and stick with it. You'll see how much time you save. Oh, and then one other thing is we keep our kind of exceptions down to a real small number, like 0. We want a like for like match as you kind of go on there. But yeah, it's a great process. Onsite's only been saving money and helping us with our whole team, right? So thanks.
So we wanted to provide you the next steps, and the key next step is to reach out to your customer success manager at client experience at planetdds.com. They will get you started on the journey for 835s. This includes providing you an opportunity to join a monthly 835 discovery webinar that is led by our Denticon training team. This will give you information about kind of the next level down of how to get started, and also we'll provide you the opportunity to ask any questions or any concerns that you may have as you embark on this journey. We look forward to moving along on this journey together.